And now let's break the walls on energy. Melis Malko will tell us about it. She's from School of Pedagogical Technological Education.
Hello, everybody. I'm going to remind you the very topical problem that we face worldwide, and that's the problem of energy. First of all, as you know, the global warming. Because energy is not being used properly, it can cause overheating of our planet. So by overheating of the planet, it's created with the consequence of rising the sea levels, also melting of the ice and climate changing zones. The war of energy. We all know that the war in Ukraine is not random at all, and one aspect of the design was energy, where there were increases of the energy transitions while it's still remaining in its highs. And finally, the most important is the visual notions. For example, many people are against the renewables because they think that, for example, the wind turbines are causing deaths to eagles. But it's worth noting that over the time, the number of bird deaths has decreased. And my solution is the following. I think we can take advantage of elements of nature without affecting the natural environment. So the panels and the machine are going to be manufactured from recycled materials because we want to reduce environmentally harmful materials into less or even no harmful ones. To sum up, this water mat-like machine that you see is floating freely in the ocean and the sea to harness wave energy too, in combination with solar panels that can use sunlight as a source of energy to generate direct current electricity. The biggest advantage is that can be moved in every direction, so ships can be crossed freely, and we won't have impact on the natural environment. They can be placed everywhere. We have sea, we have sun, but let's not forget that we don't have planet B. Thank you for listening.
Question time. Mr. Dr. Nikolopoulos.
Very fast. How are you going to store the energy, or how are you going to transfer it?
We are going to store the energy.
Batteries?
Yes.
And then?
And then it could be placed for the villages or the places that are near the sea.
Offshore? Very close to the coast?
Very close can be a good idea. Thank you.